Hi everyone, welcome to my podcast. I'm Cherish Ashley B. Pius, 16 years old, from Fort Magsaysay, Palayan City. Today, I just want to share a little bit about my life, who I am, what I love, and what keeps me going every day. I grew up in a family of three children, and I'm the one right in the middle. I have two brothers. Life with them is never boring. We tease each other, sometimes argue, but at the end of the day, they're my strongest support system. Having siblings means you always have someone to share your secrets, your struggles, and of course, your laughter. Family is very important to me, but it has always been easy. My dad passed away, and losing him was one of the hardest experiences of my life. It taught me how unpredictable life can be and how important is it to appreciate every moment you have with the people you love. Even though he's no longer with us, I carry his memory in my heart, and that motivates me to stay strong, not just for myself, but for my mom and my brothers. As well, his absence made us closer as a family. We learned to lean on each other. When it comes to my interests, I really love cooking. There's something about preparing food that makes me feel calm and happy. Lalo na kapag nagugustuhan ng family ko yung niluto ko. I also enjoy watching K-dramas kasi minsan nakaka-relate ako sa mga story and it gives me a break from reality. And of course, I love listening to music. It helps me relax, think, and sometimes even dream. I'm also the kind of person na mahilig gumala. I love going out and bonding with friends and family. Simple things like sharing stories, laughing together, or just spending time, yan talaga yung nagpapasaya sa akin. Kasi for me, life is too short not to enjoy every moment with the people you love. Looking back, I realized that if life gives you pain or challenges, there's always something beautiful waiting, whether it's through family, friendship, or self growth. I'm still young, but I'm learning every day to be strong, to appreciate life, and to keep chasing happiness in my own simple ways. So that's a little glimpse of my life. I'm Charles Ashley B. Pius, and this is my story. Thank you for listening to my podcast.